This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, Abidro Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. This is GAC Aion V. It's already sold in Thailand. Let's see if okay. See here? A nice interior. It's not supposed to be that expensive, but you can see the elements from typical Chinese car. We have a screen here, a big screen there, horizontal screen, 50-watt wireless charging. Let me test it with cooling. 25 minutes to full. Okay, I think it's fairly fast. Oh, we have the Model 3 style scroll wheels here. You can press them also. Okay. You know, I feel like the Chinese cars, they're quite similar. Wow, look at that. Smart cabin and stuff. Okay. Chassis. Okay. So, yeah. Wait, how do we open this? Well, I don't know how to open the center console. I mean, I reviewed hundreds of cars before. Okay, I don't know, but it has a nice interior, and it's going to be affordable. And here, under here, we have 12 volt and USB-A, USB-C, and this bridge design. I'll bring this with me so I don't forget it. But here is the party trick in the back, because look at that legroom. It is massive. Okay, here I sit behind myself, but it's so insanely good. But you can also recline. Let's see. If I go further in the back here and I recline. Whoa! If you don't have too much cargo, you can recline really far. Or if you have cargo, you can even go upright. Big panorama roof that you can close. I see it here. That's nice. But you see, it doesn't have soft close. So that tells me that it's not going to be that expensive. You have rails on top there. Let me check up the trunk. So it's going to be available in Norway supposedly next year. I talked to the PR over there, exchange some info, so they will contact me once it's ready. Wow, it has a relatively big trunk. Also 12 volt outlet in the back here. Yeah, I like it. Big trunk, not too fancy, you see, but plenty of space.
There's a button.
There's a button there, yes. Yep. So motorized liftgate.
And be careful.
Let me test something. Where do I dare to test it? If I have something in between here, will it stop it? Okay, it did stop. It felt, it was not hurting that much. It felt that something was in the way and then it stopped.
So if you have the key nearby and your hands are full, it will automatically open the trunk.
Ah, nice. Okay. So there you guys have it. A relatively spacious family car coming to Europe soon. Let me check here. Do we have? Okay, no Isofix there, but this is somewhat useful for a daddy. Isofix is easy accessible here. I like it. And there's even HVAC controls there, but only one USB-C. Sorry, one USB-A in the back. Oh, how do you open? Oh, there. Oh, thank you. Well, is it a fridge?
This is a fridge. It goes down to minus 50 Celsius degrees and also up to 50 Celsius degrees. So it can also warm up your drink or milk or keep your food warm while you drive home.
Oh, okay. So there's control inside there, right?
The control is over there, and then there's also control in the back.
Let me see. So this is the control for the fridge.
This is the control for the fridge.
At the present hole. Oh, it's on the heating. We should go to cooling now. Not sure how I do it. Okay, there. Yeah, I think I heard minus 50, but it was minus 15. But that's still quite insane. Minus 15 in this freezer or hot box. Charge port is on this side. Yeah. Oh, they already have it ported for Europe, of course, with CCS plug. Yeah, in China it will be the GPT port. So with the markings there. Let me see. I have to check. Do we have anything under here? Okay, no frunk. It's quite heavy hood, probably steel. Yes, it's a heat pump here. You guys probably recognize some of the components. Yeah, and it seems to be front-wheel drive. I see something that resembles a drive unit in front. Yeah. Okay, thank you. See, we just slap it down like this. Yeah, I think it's close now. Yeah, interesting. Once it comes to Europe next year. I bet I can already guess that it might cost around 400K, maybe even less, 350 to 400K. It has to kind of compete with the MGS5, for example.